This is S-star step up and down transformer, ASC 100. I plugged it, the power is not coming out, so we are now opening it to see what the problem is. When you take a look at this place, there's supposed to be a fuse here that a knob should cover here, but it's not there. So first thing we need to do is to check here. This is where the fuse is supposed to come in. It's either getting a new fuse to replace this, or we jump the fuse here, which is switch. The fuse comes straight to the switch. So since the person brought it in without this fuse cover, because this is supposed to be here and there's supposed to be a cover here that will make the contacts pass through, so the cover is not here. What we're going to do, we're going to find a way to fix this fuse inside and see if it will come up. Let me check my fuse first if it's okay. The fuse is working perfectly. This is the 18 amps fuse. I think it's very perfect for the job. What I do was putting this fuse here so that it's so. We'll try to see if that is the problem. If that's the problem, when you turn it on, it will come. If that's not the problem, it will definitely go off. Boom! You see? Now step down is good to go. A simple fix. So the next I will fix, I will sellotape the fuse in order not to go and touch any other thing. And I use a paper black tape to seal it. The step down is good to go. Here is 223. Our step down is perfectly okay now. Here also, I'm using 220, 240. If you happen to use 110, you can use 110 and send it to 220. That is why it's step up and down.